Let's see what we can do here. Jump at me. Oh well. 32! Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna need to finish him off with regular firebombs if I do this. Oh, come on. What? Alright, whatever. How is that happening? What is going on? Alright. Just gonna roll backwards then. Oh, come on! This is so not gonna happen. Oh, I can't afford to lose all that damage. What is happening? God, how is that scary attack like the only thing that's actually reliable? I also want to have throwing knives on for when he buffs. Oh my god. Okay, well there's the first segment of his health bar is down. Oof. That was a pretty good menuing. Oh, really? Oh, I thought he was doing the regular thrust. That's annoying. No, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to heal. Oh! What's happening? Oh, I accidentally swapped my... accidentally swapped off my shield. But I just can't hit him unless I free aim, and that's scary. I think it would be so hard just to make the firebombs actually hit him. I didn't expect that to be the actual biggest challenge here. Someone who's good at math, tell me how badly I'm doing. Wow, he rolled into it. I'll take it. Oh, I should have done that. Okay, that worked out. Okay, we're past the second segment. Oh, I shouldn't have rolled. It's gonna miss him now. So if I have 67 firebombs left, he should be 1/3 dead. He is not 1/3 dead. I thought he was gonna buff. That hit him. Interesting. Are you gonna start buffing? Yeah, there you go. Can I hit him in the head? Yeah! I can stagger him out of the buff. That's very good. More efficient not to. Rawr. Oh, don't roll that way. What am I doing? Uh-oh. Throw it! Oh, sugar. I was too close? Really? But I got it clipped. Oh, ouch. Ouchies. Ow. Flack. I'm dead. Oh, I'm not dead. Okay. I didn't want him to be able to buff again. I shouldn't have let him do that. That was a mistake. Where are you going? Can I attack after that? No. It's so scary every time. It feels really reliable, but it's so scary. Oh my god. Alright. Really? Don't triple buff. Come on, get him in the head. There we go. It's fine. Oh, okay, he can go again. No, the stupid joystick locked up! Why? I don't know why I'm committing so much to this attempt, because it's... What? That didn't do any damage. Are you kidding? It exploded on him. Oh, the iframes are unreal. Ooh, I rolled the wrong direction there. It's okay. Oh, God. Oh, the stupid... Why does this happen? I checked all the dead zones. They were fine. It doesn't have, like, a, you know, a thing where the joystick doesn't go all the way past the dead zone in one side or something. I couldn't see anything like that. It's just sometimes my character decides to walk backwards really slowly. And it quite literally kills me. Really? Hit him, come on. Okay. Gonna need to swap to regular firebombs soon. Really? Didn't mean to roll there. Uh-oh. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, barely interrupted. He could definitely punish me there, but he just doesn't most of the time for some reason. Shouldn't have done that. Ooh. Lucky. Oh, that was close. He almost got me with the explosion. He's gonna dodge it. Nope. He's definitely at below half health, right? Well, I can at least say that much. Oh, I shouldn't have rolled. That was dumb. How long has this fight been going? Far too long. Oh, dang it. Roll too early. 9 more, then I gotta swap to regulars, and those are gonna do half as much damage, probably. Sugar. It's gonna hit me. Or not. He's just gonna be AFK. I got plenty of heals. I just don't have enough firebombs. You kidding? And I'm against the wall. It's fine. I really should have kindled that bonfire up to 20 before doing this fight. That would have been a smart move. Roll into it. Why are you still buffing? I thought you were supposed to stop at a certain point. Did they change that in the remaster? That's entirely possible. That didn't count as a hit either. Okay, last black firebomb. Come on. Gotta find an opening to put on regular firebombs now. Uh-oh, that's bad. That's really bad. I'm dead. Sugar! I didn't even get the firebombs on, because I am very liable to end up getting hit. Yeah, I can't do that. Okay. Joystick. 19! Oh my god. Alright. Well, it's more than half. But I don't think that's even going to be enough, because I... Okay. Unless I just, like, don't miss any of my attacks. No, I stopped too early. God, this is taking forever. I should really just give up. Rawr. Uh-oh. Yep, saw that coming. Worth it for the counter hit. Almost as good as a black firebomb. Almost. Uh-oh. I guess his rolls don't count. Ugh, that'll do. I'm gonna be so upset if I die now. After all this. Oh, that's not gonna work. Oh, it will. Okay. I'm gonna be really good at dodging Artorias after this, I think. Next time I fight Artorias with, like, a decent weapon, I feel like I'm gonna do so good. I rolled the wrong direction. That's gonna miss him. Thought I could salvage it. Are you? Okay, you're not done buffing. I spoke too soon. Maybe he gets, like, more buffs the lower he gets. That would kind of make sense. Oh, the fact that he's got so many. The fact that it's limited, but it's limited to such a high number is weird. Oh my god, three things left. 3 segments, whatever. Will 60 be enough? Will I have to start using throwing knives? Please say no. Uh-oh. Not with that attitude. Yeah, okay. Kick with a worm bite. The orange charred ring, but possible. Okay, you don't normally do that out of that. Extra damage. God, this is gonna be like a 40-minute fight at the end, isn't it? That was really... I should not have thrown a firebomb at that last attack. That was not a safe one, I don't think. I was awfully confident that I was gonna get a hit there, huh? I should not be overconfident like that, especially this late into the fight. God, I've already used half my bombs. No! Oh, I meant to roll. Okay, I've got to heal. Gotta interrupt him first. I got a bad feeling. Oh, come on, joystick, work with me. I gotta bait out another jump. It's the only safe attack to heal on. Oh my god. I rolled the wrong direction. Oh my god. Jump, jump! Well. This is bad. Okay. Just gotta survive this. Okay, I think. Oh my god. Almost ruined it at the very end. Are you kidding? Is this in a firebomb? I don't know if this is in a firebombs. I think I'm actually liable to run out. That's gonna miss. Or something. Oops. I needed to be a lot. Why did I throw there? Ooh, that was almost bad. It's fine. Uh-oh. You're kidding. Oh my god, so close. Right, I can... Come on, give me like, I don't know, 5 more good openings. Probably more than that. Probably more like 10. I rolled too early there, but it's okay. It's fine. Ooh, almost not fine, though. This is actually maybe one of the best fights in the entire series, if you ask me. I shouldn't say that. I should say it's one of my favorites in the whole series. It might be my favorite fight in the whole series. Oh my god. It would be hilarious if I actually died, like at the very end. It would actually be hilarious. Time to throw for content. Okay, just don't get hit. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, you gotta combo me to death, probably, if I got really unlucky. Wish I'd had a full stack of 20 Estus coming into this. That would have made it a lot easier. Might actually have been dead by now. That's gonna miss him. Okay, he's gonna roar. Uh-oh. Wow, he is way far away. Okay, my attack didn't... Wow! That stored action. I might die here. That stored action. Why did it take a full 5 seconds to throw that knife? Or that firebomb? Okay, he could have killed me right there. If I had lost there, that would have been BS. I would have been very upset. It's a bad sign, Sai. I hope it's not something serious. Alright, he's almost dead. I can't really judge how much health he has now, because that last pip doesn't really, like, go away. Oh my god. Oh my god. First try. Oh my god, okay. Oh. Shaky. It was not pretty, but it was a success. Alright, that's where we're ending today. Oh my god, I need to go eat and have a lie down. Thanks for hanging out, everyone. Oh, that was a heck of a stream. Alright. Good night, y'all. I love you all very much. Goodbye.